This bird looks like it fell face first into a berry smoothie. Meet the purple finch, a small songbird with colors so rich people thought it was painted. That deep, reddish purple color? It's only on the males. Females are brown and streaked, built for camouflage. Purple finches sing long, smooth songs that sound almost emotional. They're strong seed crushers using thick beaks to break tough shells. Unlike many birds, they don't migrate far. They follow food, not seasons. And fun fact, they're not actually purple. They're more like raspberry red. When sunlight hits their feathers, they glow like living fruit. Subtle, rare, and unforgettable. Follow for more birds that look too beautiful to be real.